It's your boy J Will back with another video update. 3 days ago, I shot a Google ad video with Digistore24. I finally made my first sale. Took about 3 days. Now I get to optimize my campaign and see what's going on. So let's get into it. All right, we logged into Google Ads right here. As you can see today, 6 clicks, 118 impressions, average 21 cents per click. Only spent $1.27 today. Now we log into my Digistore24 account. Again. As you can see today, we made one sale. Today, $41.66. Mine is $1.27. I mean, pretty much made about $39 today. But I've been running this ad for about 3 days. So today is the 17th. Let's go back 3 days. Let me see, from Friday to Sunday. See how much money we spent so far. Only spending about 13 bucks, so we're still in profit. 41 bucks minus $13.99. Still most definitely in profit. As you can see, my ad account is not suspended for the people who say it's gonna be suspended. It's a certain way you have to do your website. I would teach that, but it's too much to teach. You guys got to go look at the Google requirements. They actually allow affiliates. They don't mind affiliates. You just have to have certain stuff on your page to get your ad approved and your account not suspended. So let's jump back into this. Go back to today. Let's see. Get the ad. Got 2 ads running here. I definitely have to optimize this campaign because my click-through rate is very low. But as you can see, this worked the same exact way that it works on Microsoft Bing ads. It's just a little bit tougher because you need to actually have a website to do this. You cannot direct link to Google ads. But I also have a bonus video, another product I'm running on my other Google ads account from ClickBank called Snaggle Gut. I have a website for that product as well. And I made about 180 bucks in the last 2 days. I just started running this campaign yesterday. So from yesterday to today, I'm going to drop that video too and show you guys that later on tonight. I just want to show you guys an update. I'm going to keep this ad running, see how much sales I can make with this ad before I pause it. I'm just using this ad as an example to teach you guys how everything works if you're a beginner. But in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. You guys have a good day.